So today we're gonna make roasted red pepper soup. So let's start off with the main ingredient. We've got some roasted red peppers, some roasted sweet onion. We have some chicken sausage, some parsley, chicken broth, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and balsamic vinegar. So let's start putting things together. Now, this parsley is fresh parsley and it's still on the stalk. So I'm not going to make you watch as I clean and pick it off the stalk. So we'll come back and I'll have the parsley in the blender and we'll start ninjaing it up. Okay, we're back. Now, I forgot a couple of ingredients that are very important. In sun-dried tomatoes is one, and the other is garlic. It calls for 2 cloves of garlic. We all know I don't do minimalist on garlic. So I have about 6 little cloves of garlic here, which would be about 4 cloves of normal sized garlic. So I've got the parsley all done in the blender. I'm going to start adding the ingredients. We've got the 1 cup of chicken broth. And we're just going to dump all of this, the onion mix, the onions and red peppers in here. And make a mess as I always do. My OCD is kicking in. I don't mind making a mess. I just don't like it lingering. All right, so the sun-dried tomatoes, they are frozen. Or these are actually not sun-dried tomatoes. Yeah, they are sun-dried tomatoes. Yeah, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. So these are frozen. We're just going to add these 2 packages. Now each of these frozen packages that we actually did them here at the house contain about 6 Roma tomatoes. To give you an idea of the quantity. So there's about 12 sun-dried Roman tomatoes there. And then we're going to add the garlic. And then we're going to add the balsamic vinegar. Now the instructions say just balsamic vinegar to taste. So I'm going to do what just looks right, and then hopefully it is. Now directions didn't say to add any seasoning, but how lame is that? So I got some Italian seasoning. This is a store, or not a store brand, but a main brand Italian seasoning. And then we're going to add some pepper. We all know that because like garlic, I like pepper. Yeah, like garlic, like pepper. All right, anyway. Now salt and pepper is mainly just right now, just to start with. Because we don't want to overdo it on the salt and pepper. So we're just going to lightly add just a little bit of salt and pepper. We can always add more salt and pepper later. Now I'm going to hold off on putting the chicken sausage in because I don't really want that ground up. I kind of want that left in large chunks. And this blender doesn't leave anything in large chunks. If you ever use one of these high-speed blenders with these spinning blades of death, you know they don't leave much behind. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pulse it a couple times. Get things mixed up a bit. And then we're going to go ahead and hit it on 3 and blend it out. That looks really nice. Oh, and it smells delicious. So it's all blended up. Now I'm not going to try it right now. I'll give it a little taste. Just to see if my seasonings are close. Very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that sit overnight, because I have found that when you make your own soups, they're always best a day or 2 older. Gives those, that extra time gives the flavors a chance to commingle and develop and really form a good depth. So that's why I don't eat soups the day I make them. Thanks for watching.